Hello and welcome to this new video on how to deactivate Agoda listing. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the Agoda official website. This is the interface that is shown to you when you have logged in and signed up successfully. And when you're inside the interface, you just have to look on the right hand side of the screen. And on the top right hand side of the screen, there will be list your place. So you just have to click on this button and new web page will be opened where you can list. And now you have to look on the top navigation bar. There will be listings, so you just have to click on the listings and listing page will be open right in front of you. And currently we are under the active section, and here will be list of all the listings that are currently active of yours. And in order to remove or deactivate that Agoda listings, you just have to choose the listing that you want to deactivate, and on the right hand side there will be an 3-dot icon. You just have to click on that 3-dot icon and a pop-up box will appear, and there will be a deactivate option. So you just have to click on the deactivate option. After that, the listing will be deactivated. So this is how you can easily deactivate Agoda listing. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.